Top 5 AI sites for graphic designs. 5. Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design platform that uses AI to suggest design elements and layouts based on your content. 4. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is an AI-powered platform that is integrated into Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. It can help you automate repetitive tasks, suggest design elements. 3. Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool that uses AI to help you create designs that are consistent and on-brand. 2. Designhill. Designhill is an AI-powered graphic design platform that can help you create logos, social media posts, and other designs quickly and easily. 1. Piktochart. Piktochart is an AI-powered infographic and presentation design platform that can help you create professional-looking designs quickly and easily. Thank you.